everyone, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. Today in this video, we are going to see about the 6 secret principles to speak English fluently. So without wasting our precious time, let's dive into the video. The first one is ardent desire. If you want to speak English fluently, first of all, you have the interest because without interest, you cannot learn anything. Likewise, if you want to speak English fluently, definitely you need to have the ardent desire. Next, we are going to see about the golden triangle rule. What does mean by golden triangle? That is a three-core principle to attain the fluency. If you want to attain the fluency means you definitely need to have vocabulary, sentence structure and pronunciation. Yes guys, basically we know that without words we cannot frame a sentence, we cannot convey our ideas to the people as well. And the second one, only keeping words, we cannot convey our message. Definitely we need sentence structure. So we have to need to learn sentence structure to speak English, not only English, to speak any language. The third one is pronunciation. If you want to convey your ideas to people in a clear, perfect manner means definitely you have to pronounce the word clearly. Otherwise, the people, the listeners could not understand what you are speaking. Before that, I would like to share something with you because most of the people are there in this world. They really want to speak English fluently. So that's why they are really trying to enrich their vocabulary. If you want to enhance your vocabulary means what are you doing? You are trying various methods to improve your vocabulary skills. Am I right? Of course. But the problem is you are practicing, you are putting your efforts, you are learning lot of words, idioms, phrases, but the problem is you have forgot those words. You couldn't use those words in your conversation or when you are speaking. So, if you want to learn vocabulary but you don't like to forget it means just follow this method which is learn by observing. What does mean by learn by observing? If you are seeing some object, some things, some action in your mother tongue, you know that but you couldn't know in English means just learn it. You don't need to buy any newspaper, book to enhance your vocabularies. If you want to enhance your vocabulary means just learn everything by observing. Now I'm speaking, now I'm walking, I know these words in English. Suppose you can see here is a switch. If I on the switch means I can say it's called switch on and it's called switch off. Now I know the action, how to say in English. If I didn't know how to say that action in English means I have to learn by observing. I have to learn the phrases, how to use that action in English. So that's why just observe everything and learn everything what you are doing in your life. The third tip is speak while doing. What does mean by speak while doing? If you are doing anything, any action, maybe in your household work, office work, if you are a student, you are reading, writing, anything, what am I doing right now? I am teaching you the 6 secret principles to become fluent in English. After that, what I will do? I will go to my house. Just imagine that what are the things you are doing in your daily life. Just think that action in English. Just say it yourself in English because it is very easy to form the sentence structure. You don't need to learn any sentence structure formulas to create a sentence. Next one is LR. What is mean by LR? LR means loud reading. So where it will use for you, which means if you want to improve your pronunciation, definitely you have to follow this step to improve your pronunciation. How is it possible, Priya? Let me tell you. Loud reading will enhance your pronunciation. I am the example for you. I have completed the 28 days gratitude challenge. As a challenge, I took a challenge for that. In that 28 days, I just read loud. I just practice to read loud and eventually, indirectly, I develop my pronunciation. You can see now, I pronounce words not perfectly, but I feel I just improve my pronunciation as well as confidence. And the next tip to improve your pronunciation is tongue twisters. Yes guys, tongue twisters play a significant role to improve your pronunciation. So just give it a try. And the next one is listening. Listening is my favorite part because I am a couch potato. I did not spend a lot of time to learn this language because I am a student. I just spend a lot of time to entertainment, playing with my friends and speaking with my friends. In that time, how did I learn English? How was it possible? Just by listening. I used to watch a lot of content in English. I listen a lot. Actually, listening is the one of the best tools which I have used to improve my English. So I just recommend all of you to start listen. For example, how did you learn your mother tongue? Just by listening. By your surroundings, you just listen and you eventually start speaking broken language. But eventually you have developed the fluency in your mother tongue. Like it is same, you have to develop your fluency in English as well. What is the difference between listen and hear? Listen means you give the attention while you are watching or listening something. While you are doing some work, household work means you can hear some background speeches and background music. That is called hearing. Listening means you are giving your full attention to something. That is called listening. Last but not the least, which is speaking. I know that I guess your mind voice. You all are want this one particular fruit. Am I right? Because if you want to get this fruit means you have to come across these steps to get this fruit. Because a lot of people want to become fluent in English, but they will not give anything, any effort to learn, develop that language. If you follow these steps, definitely you can also attain your fluency. I know that I guess your mind voice that you are asking, without partner, how can I practice speaking, Priya? How can I practice? I know that. Let me explain it. If you want to practice speaking means you can talk to yourself in English. You can practice mirror talk and there is a lot of applications are there. In my personal opinion, I have used CV application especially to make conversation. It would help me and enhance my fluency as well. That's it all about today's video, guys. If you want to attain fluency, just follow the 6 secret principle method to enhance your fluency. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel means do subscribe and just share your opinions on my comment section. I will be waiting for your wonderful comments. And thank you for your precious time. I will come up with another interesting video very soon, guys. Take care. Bye.